If you want to improve your writing instantly while browsing the web, installing the Grammarly Chrome extension is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so by the end, Grammarly will be installed, pinned, and ready to use right inside Google Chrome. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, then go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly for Chrome or open the Grammarly extension page directly. Make sure you're on the official Grammarly listing so you know you're downloading the correct extension. Once the page loads, you'll see the blue Add to Chrome button on the right side of the screen. Click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. Chrome will now show a confirmation pop-up at the top of your browser. This is asking for permission to add the extension to your browser. To continue, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will download and install Grammarly automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. When the installation is finished, the next step is to pin the extension so it stays easy to access. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the Extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. A list of your installed extensions will appear. Find Grammarly in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. Once pinned, the green Grammarly G Grammarly G will stay visible in your browser toolbar. Now that Grammarly is installed and pinned, it's time to log in. Click the green Grammarly icon in your toolbar. A new window or tab will open with sign-in options. If you already have an account, log in with your email or connected account. If you're new to Grammarly, you can follow the prompts to create an account and get started. After you sign in, Grammarly will be ready to help you write more clearly across websites, documents, emails, and more. You can start using it right away to catch spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and writing improvements as you type. If you don't see the icon right away, double check that the extension is pinned and that you're signed in properly, and that's it. You've successfully installed the Grammarly Chrome extension, pinned it to your toolbar, and logged in so you can use it whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.